My name is Higgs and this is my friend Boson. Welcome to the Higgs world.
Thanks for the introduction, Higgs. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. We follow inquiry-based learning model where students take lead in learning.
First, they get a quick review of the research via the videos. Second, they review the paper to learn and understand key concepts. Finally, they can follow up with further research on their own to dig deeper. In the end, students would have learned something new, latest and relevant. Isn't that wonderful, Boson?
Great point, Higgs. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. We want to thank all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share and subscribe.
Today, we are reviewing a paper titled, Geology and Taphonomy of a Unique Tyrannosaurid Bonebed from the Upper Campanian Kaiparowits Formation of Southern Utah. Implications for Tyrannosaurid gregariousness. Tyrannosaurids are hypothesized to be gregarious, possibly parasocial carnivores engaging in cooperative hunting and extended parental care. Monodominant large theropod dinosaur bonebeds are rare in the geologic record. This paper describes a recently discovered large, monodominant tyrannosaurid bonebed containing at least 4 individuals from the Upper Campanian Kaiparowits Formation of southern Utah.
That is wonderful information, Higgs. A tyrannosaurid bonebed in the late Campanian age Kaiparowits Formation of southern Utah, nicknamed the Rainbows and Unicorns Quarry, provides the first opportunity to investigate possible tyrannosaurid gregariousness in a taxon unique to southern Laramidia. Analyses of the site's sedimentology, fauna, flora, stable isotopes, rare earth elements, charcoal content and taphonomy suggest a complex history starting with the deaths and transport of tyrannosaurids into a perifluvial, low-energy lacustrine setting. Isotopic and rare earth elements analyses of the fossil material yields a relatively homogeneous signature indicating the assemblage was derived from the same source and represents a fauna living in a single ecospace.
That is so intriguing, Boson. Subsequent drying of the lake and fluctuating water tables simultaneously overprinted the bones with pedogenic carbonate, and structurally weakened them through wet-dry cycling. Abundant charcoal recovered from the primary bone layer indicate a low-temperature fire played a role in the site history, possibly triggering an avulsion that exhumed and reburied skeletal material on the margin of a new channel with minimal transport.
Possible causes of mortality and concentration of the tyrannosaurids include cyanobacterial toxicosis, fire, and flooding, the latter being the preferred hypothesis. Comparisons of the Rainbows and Unicorns Quarry site with other North American tyrannosaur bonebeds suggest all formed through similar processes. Combined with ichnological evidence, these tyrannosaur mass burial sites could be part of an emerging pattern throughout Laramidia, reflecting innate tyrannosaurid behavior such as habitual gregariousness.
Great point, Boson. Low taphonomic values observed on all tyrannosaur elements demonstrate their deaths were not widely separated in time. This leaves mass mortality as a viable explanation for the Rainbows and Unicorns Quarry bonebed, and opens the possibility that this is the first evidence of such in southern Laramidia. That was an interesting paper providing overview of a discovery of large, monodominant tyrannosaurid bonebed in Utah. Hope you liked it. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Please like, share and subscribe.